If you're a fan of Evernote, you're going to appreciate this video. We're going to talk, it's going to be quick, it's going to be easy. We're going to talk about how to encrypt data within Evernote. So stay tuned. So I've been using Evernote for at least 10 years now. It's a great product. I have like well over 30,000 notes in it. And I've really enjoyed it. And one of the nice features that they've added recently is the ability, it's been around for a while, is the ability to encrypt data. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we do that. So I'm going to pick any note. This is just some random note right here that I'm going to go ahead and pick. So this note we want to encrypt. And so to encrypt this information, we're just going to highlight the information that we want to encrypt. Now we don't have to encrypt everything. So let's just encrypt my signature. To encrypt it, we're just going to simply do a right click and we're going to say encrypt selected text. And then it's going to ask for a passphrase. Now I'm just going to put in 123, not suggested that you put in 123, but I'm going to put in 123 nevertheless. I'm going to hit encrypt. Now here I'm going to say try the passphrase again or use a new, the encrypted passphrase is different than the one, okay, so it's different, right? So we're going to use a new one. Now here's where we're going to select it. 123, 123. We're not going to put a hint, well, we'll just put the hint in of 123, which by the way is not suggested. But here, if we click on it, let's go ahead and de-encrypt it. So we can reveal the content or we can decrypt it altogether. So let's just reveal the content. Notice it says hint for me, and I can also say remember this until I quit Evernote. So then I'm going to just say 123 reveal, and now that content, notice it's in a shadowed box there, the content appears. If I go here, I can, if I'm done working on it, I can say hide content, which is nice. Okay, so I'm going to click on here, reveal. I'm going to click 123 again. And I'm going to now decrypt this permanently. So I just hit decrypt permanently. It's going to ask me one more time for my passphrase, and now it returns back. So it's kind of a cool feature. One of the gotchas that you need to be aware of is, so we're going to do it one more time, encrypt. There we go. One of the gotchas you need to be aware of is when you're revealing the encrypted content, when you use it on a cell phone, you click on the content and it's going to prompt you just like it is here. But if dependent upon how your cell phone screen looks, you may have to rotate the screen from portrait to landscape. I know I use a Samsung Fold, and in the Fold, you have to rotate it to be landscape, and the reveal button, so you put in your password like this, and notice the reveal is here, but on your cell phone, reveal sits up here as text. It's kind of a little bit misleading, but it's just something to be aware of. It's not that big of a deal, but so when you use the cell phone, reveal is going to be up here. Anyways, that's how you decrypt. Oh, and to decrypt this from here, you just hit decrypt permanently, 123, and it decrypts it. So pretty easy stuff, and it works well on both cell phones and PCs.